Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy an ETF on Webull. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your investment strategy, this guide will help you navigate through the platform easily. First, make sure you have your Webull account set up and funded. If you do not have an account yet, download the Webull app or visit their website to create one. The registration process is straightforward, and you will need to provide some personal information. Once your account is verified, link your bank account and transfer funds to start trading. Now that you are all set up, let's find the ETF you want to purchase. Open the Webull app and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you are interested in, or browse the ETF section to explore different options. Once you locate the ETF, click on it to access its details. You will see information like its performance, holdings, and expense ratio, helping you make an educated decision. To buy the ETF, click on the Trade button. Here, you can choose how many shares you want to purchase and select the type of order, which could be a market order or a limit order. After reviewing your order, click on Buy to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation, and your ETF will now be in your portfolio. That's it. You have successfully bought an ETF on Webull. Be sure to monitor your investments regularly, and happy trading.